The stiffness, the anticipation, the drama. Oh, goodness me, it's experiencing massive piece separation. Oh!
Hold together. Come on. Man, even the V-cube quality isn't strong enough to hold up to my speed solving. Ugh.
Today I'll be doing an unboxing on this 2x2 Dahan. Yep, my new speed cube I got yesterday. Yep. So, yeah, I'll be unboxing. And yeah, so here we go. Oh wow, it's really nice. First turns. Yeah, it's really smooth. Looks like I guess it came apart when I was doing. Oh, whoopsies! I guess this thing doesn't like me no more. Oh shoot! End the video.
Oh, dude, nice. Oh, I'll make that pair. Yeah. Yeah, I believe in you, man. Come on, you can do it. Go, go. Come on. Yes. No. Stop. God dang it. Stop. No. Dude. F R. No, that was not. That's an N. Okay. Stop.